In this video, we're going to explore some of the best block planes out there. If you're looking to improve your woodworking skills, these tools are a must-have for precision and smooth finishes. Let's dive in. If you're looking for a reliable, budget-friendly option, the Stanley 12-220 is a solid pick. Its cast iron base provides durability, while the precision ground sides and bottom ensure a smooth cut. The cutter rests at a 21-degree angle, making it great for cross-grain planing. It's fully adjustable for depth and alignment, giving you control over your work. The epoxy coating adds extra protection so it holds up over time. A front finger rest improves comfort and stability during use. Like many budget planes, it benefits from a bit of setup. Sharpening the blade and flattening the sole will enhance its performance. While it lacks an adjustable mouth, it still gets the job done for most woodworking tasks. At around $25 to $30, it's an affordable choice for hobbyists and DIYers who want a dependable block plane without breaking the bank. We have plenty of budget-friendly block planes to choose from, but not all of them deliver the right mix of performance and durability. What we like about the Stanley 12-960 is its low-angle design. With a 13.5-degree cutter angle, it excels at slicing through end grain and other tricky surfaces. The quick-release cam lock makes blade adjustments fast and hassle-free. Its cast iron base is precision ground for stability, and the epoxy coating adds extra durability. Out of the box, it may need some tuning, flattening the sole and honing the blade, but once set up, it performs well for the price. Compared to the Stanley 12-2020, this model offers a lower cutting angle for smoother finishes and easier push strokes. It's a solid choice for DIYers and hobbyists who need an affordable low-angle plane. You can grab one for around $40, making it an accessible addition to your woodworking toolkit. Our top pick for a compact Japanese hand plane is the KAKURI 42mm. This traditional kana-style plane is designed for smoothing wood and chamfering edges with precision. Its high-carbon steel blade arrives razor-sharp, while the natural oak body offers durability and a comfortable grip. Unlike Western planes, this one is pulled rather than pushed, giving you better control with less effort. The two-blade structure, including a chip breaker, helps prevent tear-out for a cleaner finish. Like many Japanese tools, it requires some fine-tuning. Adjusting the blade with a hammer ensures optimal performance. Compared to similar models, this one balances affordability and quality, making it a great entry point for those new to Japanese woodworking techniques. You can pick one up for around $25, making it an easy addition to any workshop without breaking the bank. Low-angle block planes are ideal for trimming end grain and fine joinery, and Benchdog's number 60.5 is a strong contender. Its fully adjustable mouth lets you dial in precision, whether you're adjusting miters or fitting drawers. The body is made from fine-grain cast iron with brass fittings, giving it durability and a premium feel. A 1/8-inch thick hardened steel blade ensures chatter-free performance, and the one-piece casting of the frog and base enhances stability. It comes with a storage case, a plain sock, and a certificate of inspection detailing its sole flatness and blade hardness. While it may require some initial tuning, woodworkers who take the time to refine it will find a capable and well-built hand plane. You can pick it up for $109.99, making it a mid-range option that balances affordability with performance. The Stanley 521-399 Surform block plane is an excellent choice for trimming edges and working in tight spaces. This compact, heavy-duty tool features a durable die-cast alloy body, ensuring long-lasting performance. It's fitted with a replaceable fine-cut blade, perfect for shaping wood and plastic with ease. The plane's thumb screw allows for a quick and easy blade release. No tools required, making it incredibly convenient for on-the-go use. It's ideal for anyone looking for a practical and portable solution for fine edge work or confined spaces. With its lightweight design and effective blade, it's a great option for those who need a reliable tool for everyday tasks. Retailing for around $13, this block plane is an affordable addition to your toolkit. Keep in mind, while it's designed for rough shaping, it's best suited for light-duty tasks rather than fine woodworking.